quick disclaimer before this video starts. This comp was in September, so I have my WCA profile linked down below, so you can look at my PBs from then, because I will be referencing those PBs rather than my PBs now. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Hey guys, what is up? We are currently in the car going to Princeton Fall 2017. Now, to make up for the lack of uploads, I've decided to vlog this weekend and at my next competition, which is next weekend. So this is going to be a crud ton of editing, but I have been really excited for this comp for a really long time. So I just cannot wait to get there. I will update you guys when we're there. Bye. Well, I'm here at the comp and we're going competing 4x4. Here's a one look last layer.
I'll show you Daniel 7-7. Wait. Okay. No, wrong one.
You're so fast.
Okay. Opposites, adjacents.
Oof. So the first event of the day was 4x4, and 4x4 I kind of failed my average. However, I did get a PB single of 36.90 seconds, and I was very happy with this considering it was the first time I had beaten my official PB since March. So yeah, 4x4 went pretty well, all things considered.
Okay, we are going to be moving to group 3. So judges, after you finish judging the Salvi rack, if you are competing in 4x4, find your card and make sure you bring up your 4x4. So this is the last group of 4x4.
Hello friends, I did 4x4 and I got a PB single.
I got a 1 average.
Wow.
I got a 1 average.
Wow. I win the Rubik competition.
Watch out, Mania, 17 TPS.
Ow, you hurt my face.
Oh, sorry, I didn't see that.
Ow. Ow. God. Well, yeah, the next event is one-handed. Yeah. I just got a 12:08. That's pretty cool. That's my overall PB by like 3.5 seconds. Lol. It's time for OH, my friends. And the cube. Let's do this. So I did pretty well in OH. I got a 22.56 average, which was only PB by a little bit. However, I did finally beat my PB single. I got a 17.63, and I hadn't beaten that PB single since October of 2016, so I was really happy to just finally beat that. I beat it! Luggage and I are racing in 2x2.
Sucks.
Wait, I'm still inspecting, you turd.
What's in the
I could have canceled. 186. So I kind of failed 2x2 round 1. I got a 2.46 average with a counting 1.92. And on the 2 1s I got in this average, I locked up pretty terribly, and they both could have been low 1s. And on the 4th solve, I think it was the 4th solve, I messed up the EG1 and also the 2nd solve. So this average just could have been a lot better, but I'm fine with it.
You can't trust them. Can't trust a competitor for that. Keaton!
Hey guys, so I just finished 2x2 and I messed up some pretty easy scrambles. So I'm a little salty. Luigi messed them up too, my boy. But now it's lunch, and then after that it's 3x3. Luigi, do you have anything to say?
I don't whatever.
Krish? Out. Lunch is basically over now, so 3x3 is about to start.
Whoa, it's a Krish vlog.
It is a Krish vlog. Chris Rubik. Chris Rubik.
I don't know why Daniel posted that. What, 1.33? Everything.
Next I had 3x3 and I don't even remember what my average was. I know it was bad, so I'm kind of just too lazy to check. But this solve definitely could have been my PB because it was just very easy. I +2'd it. It was a 793 plus with a terrible Z-perm execution. It was just an all-around bad solve.
Yeah.
Oh, that's Z-perm though.
That one looked less hilarious.
The DNF?
No, it's not DNF +2. I did 3x3 and I got 2 +2s. I would have gotten like a 902 average. I'm really not too salty. Luigi got NAR, which is pretty cool. Go subscribe to him at LS Cubing. Also, in other news, Carmelo Anthony got traded to the Thunder. I know most of you don't care, but basketball is life.
Oh, also, did you hear? There's a new tsunami, and it's heading straight for Nebraska.
Not Nebraska! It is time for square one. Wow. Wow.
8 seconds.
I had an either.
First and third are from Texas.
It's the back. How about this guy? Before this past match, the best match flying solve ever was 2015, Noah got 30. That one had come in the top, like, what was the stat?
I just started?
Yeah. I don't even care. Is that just so you care?
Wow, Chris with the sick J4s.
Yeah, you're right. That's
Jordan Horn. 3x3 round 2 went okay. I got a 9.75 average, which isn't too good for me, but for in-comp dealing with nerves and all, that's pretty okay. And yeah, I got into finals, and that's really it.
We need a judge.
We need a judge for Scoop.
So Scoob at this comp was kind of a massive failure. To give you guys an idea of what I was aiming for, I was actually going for a sub-5 average, and that didn't exactly happen. I ended up with a counting 6 and 2 5s counting as well, so yeah, not exactly what I was hoping for. I only got 1 sub-5, and the scramble was insanely easy, and it should have been a lot better. Well, you see, I just failed Scoob miserably, but the priming triangle Roblox is next, so I should probably practice. So Pyraminx at this comp was a colossal failure. I got a 4.38 average, which is terrible considering I average about 3.3. Not only did I get a terrible average, I also got 4th place, which was very, very annoying. But I did end up getting a 2.26 PB single, which I hadn't beaten in over or almost a year actually, which was a nice surprise. But nerves caused me to mess up, and my scrambles on the first 3 were not very good.
See you later.
Oh, PB.
What'd you get, Chris?
226.
Nice.
PB.
The next event was 4x4 finals, and I didn't do too well. I got a 45.08 average. What you guys are watching is a 42.8 single, and I didn't really care too much. My hands were really tired from cubing the whole day. I don't know why they were tired. This usually doesn't happen at comps, but I guess it kind of just happened, and therefore my average kind of sucked. But it's okay because I was already pretty happy with my 4x4 PBs. $42. 3x3 finals did not go too well considering I did have a counting 10 in my average. However, I did still get a sub 10 average, which added to my streak at the time. I wasn't really too happy, but it is what it is.
I missed all LCP. Oh. I put a parent. Let's count.
Chris Shah-Nathwani, Luigi Soriano, Daniel Carnock.
Yay!
So the comp just finished. I had so much fun. We're in the car now, and I had a great time with Luigi and Chris. We just laughed so much. It was awesome. I did okay in terms of competing. The 2x2 average and Pyramid's average were a little disappointing, but you know, whatever happens, happens. But on the bright side, I do have a comp next weekend, so I'm very excited for that. But really, besides that, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.